We're going to talk about in this series, part 2, how you can make over $1,000 per month using affiliate links. Now, if you haven't seen part 1, you guys need to go back and watch part 1, because in there, I'm talking about how you can make money with YouTube ads, and there's little strategies in there and whatnot. So this is part 2, and in part 3, I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can make money on YouTube with selling merchandise and services. I'm going to teach you more than just selling t-shirts. We're going to really get into it. So let's just jump right into how to make money with affiliate links. Make sure that you guys subscribe so that you can catch those other videos. And like I said, watch the entire video because you need to see each little detail and all the little tips I'm going to give in those details. Let's jump in. Hey guys, it's Trey with Money Growth Academy, where we demystify entrepreneurship, simplify business strategies, and multiply your earnings potential. All right, guys, while you're here, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already part of the Money Growth Academy. That way you can catch all the great information that we're releasing absolutely free for you guys. So where to start? Where do you even start with affiliate links? Well, the place that we're going to start is where most creators start, which is Amazon affiliates. So let me just kind of show you this if you don't know yet. And the reason a lot of people do Amazon associates is because it's super simple. I mean, it's super simple to do. So you're just going to type in affiliate program or Amazon associates. It's going to pop up with this screen right here, and it's going to tell you exactly what you can do. So it's going to talk about, how you can join, how the advertising works, and how you can earn. It's going to ask you to do certain things like put in information, emails, and all that kind of jazz and whatnot. So you're going to log in, you're going to do that, you're going to create your own account. And then what happens is once you've created an account, you get a unique ID that you can use. And that's how Amazon tracks what affiliates you're using. So if this is sounding a little confusing, let me show you just a little example of how this would work. So if I hop in to our Amazon account here, and we use a ring light for some of the videos that we use. If you've seen D in some of his videos in his office, he's actually got a ring light, and it's a newer ring light. So let me show you how that would work. So we would type in right here, newer ring light, then I would hit go. So what's going to happen is these results are going to pop up. So this is the one that we're using that's actually from Neuro. So what I would do is I would hit get link, and what that's going to do is it's going to create a few different ways that I could advertise this product, and this is how you can use it on blogs. So with this text and an image, I could use this, and I could put that on my blog if I wanted to, or my website, text only, or I can do an image only. Well, for YouTube, if you see a lot the short codes that people have, everyone's using text only. And this is the standard link that you would get. So that's pretty long. You don't want that in your YouTube description. One, it takes up character spaces, and two, it's just super long. No one wants to click on that. So you just hit short link, and all I would do is I would copy that. Then I would jump over into my video and I would paste that code. And that has a unique ID just for me. So if people click on that link, what's going to happen is I'm going to get the commission off of that once they purchase that product. Now, the cool thing about Amazon Associates is even if they don't purchase this exact product, if they don't purchase the newer ring light, but they purchase something else, I'm going to get a piece of commission off of that because I sent them to Amazon. So Amazon's going to reward me because I sent them there. Okay, let me show you exactly how this would work. So if we jump over to one of our videos that we just released, which is diversification for idiots, why Buffett, Munger, and Cuban hate diversification, a secret to success. And this video is super interesting. You should go check it out, why they don't diversify their portfolios. But anyways, let's just get into this. So in our description, you'll see we've got down here top books on Warren Buffett. So since we're talking about Warren Buffett in this video and we've got clips of him talking in this, what we did is we included some of our favorite books by Warren Buffett right into the description. Now you can see all of these have links going to our stuff. So if I were to click that, what's going to happen is going to take me to the Warren Buffett CEO. And this is going to allow someone to purchase from there. If they purchase from this, we get a little commission. It doesn't charge them anything else, but we make some money. So those, you can see all those short codes that we created back right here. That's what they look like once you post them, these hyperlinks that will take people there. Guys, it really is that simple. It's super simple to do. You don't need any fancy trackers. Amazon's going to do that all for you. And Amazon breaks down exactly what the commission is for each thing, because it's going to be different if you're doing video games or books or, home goods or all kinds of different products. They all have a different commission rate on them. So that's something for you guys to go ahead and check out. So let's just take a look at what some of those advertising fees were so that you guys can just see those real fast. So what I was talking about was Amazon Fashion Women's, for example. You're going to have a 10% on that. Furniture, home improvement, lawn garden, 8% commission.
You can see video games are 1%. Those are kind of the lowest because a lot of people do those video game reviews. Television, 2%. Physical books, 4.5%. Outdoor tools, 5.5. So you can kind of see, you're going to want to check this out because each one has a different commission fee for it based on what you're doing. Now, guys, once you've graduated out of Amazon, there's some places that I would tell you to go. Don't always stick to Amazon Associates to make some money. And once again, guys, the cool thing about this is you can be an Amazon associate despite having 1,000 subscribers, despite having 4,000 watch hours. You can do this with one subscriber on your channel. Now, the thing is, once you start your Amazon associates, and I don't know the time of this recording, but sometimes they have rules set up that you need to get a certain amount of sales done in, 30 days, 90 days or so. So you're going to want to check out those rules of how many sales you actually need to have so that your account can actually stay alive. Now, a great tool and resource and place I like to go to put my Amazon Associates links is to actually Kit. Now, Kit's a really cool thing because it allows you to assimilate almost as a storefront, which you can do on Amazon as well, but this is going to allow you to put in links that aren't just for Amazon. So you can use other stores to put in this link. And the cool thing of what it's going to do, and the reason that you want to create a Kit is because it's going to put all your products in one space. Now, what's going to happen is when people go to your store, they're going to land on something, and it's highly likely that they're going to purchase something else. So let's look at, for example, let's just take a look here. I mean, Peter McKinnon. How could you not love Peter McKinnon's stuff? So let's take a look at Peter McKinnon and his kit that he's got created. So it's going to load it up. All right, so you can see his kits that he has. He's got one for vlog life, travel life, editing, digital products, coffee, extra gear I love. So let's see what he's going to recommend for vlog if I'm into vlogging. So he's got down, what camera he uses, the lenses he uses, the microphones. And if I click on this view on Amazon, what it's going to do is it's going to take me here where I can purchase it, right? And he's going to get a commission off of this. So this is essentially just a store for him to house all of his affiliate links on, which is super powerful because, like I said, when someone sees one thing, they go, oh man, he's got that. Oh, I might as well get the filters as well. So that's the cool thing about this. Let me show you someone that's really good at this that I really love on YouTube. So if we jump over to Think Media, Sean Cannell. If you guys have seen his channel, you guys already know he puts out great content. If you haven't, definitely go check that out. He's got awesome tips on there. But he's really known for using this kind of method. So look at down in his descriptions. Look how many affiliate links he has to equipment and to gear. Well, Sean also has a kit that he set up. So you can see a 4K kit, M50 YouTube kit, smartphone, best drones, budget YouTube kit, YouTube live kit, and it just goes on and on and on. Guys, what I want you to see though is pay attention to this number right here. Look how many people, 14,717, 13,000 people, 3,000 people, 29,000 people. Guys, the incredible thing about this is he's making a commission off of when people click on this. It's very, very likely that some of those eyeballs that are landing on this page are going and purchasing stuff through affiliate links. So now can you see why it's so important to start putting affiliate links in? And you might be thinking, but Trey, I don't have anything to use as an affiliate link. I don't know. There's no products I have. Well, what camera are you filming on? What microphone are you using? What SD cards are you using? What's your tripod like? What's your lighting setup like? Guys, you could go on and on and on. There's all kinds of things. You could post decorations. I could put this, Himalayan salt lamp on there. If someone liked that in my video and wanted that as well. So there's so many affiliate links that you can put in here. So just begin. The best thing to do is start early and start catching some eyeballs. So set up an Amazon Associates and then also set up a kit so that you can put stuff in there. And once again, kit allows you to put in stuff from other stores as well, not just Amazon. All right, one of the major things that you're going to want to do when you're creating your channel or trying to figure out what kind of content you're going to come up with is figure out, first of all, what niche are you in and try to stick to that niche. So for us, it is, entrepreneurship, it's business strategies, it's investing, it's personal finance. That's kind of our niche that we're within. Now, one of the channels I really love is Reyes the Entrepreneur. And if you've seen his stuff, you already know what he's kind of about. But for those of you who haven't, he started off talking about how to start your own vending machine business, how to start your own shirt printing business. So I want to show you how when he started, he niched his channel into like heat pressing for shirts. and how that made him some great money on a month-to-month basis. And he reports in this video here that I'm going to show you, he makes $4,154 in a month from this company that he partners with, heatpressnation.com. Now, what they do is they sell, heat press supplies, vinyl cutters, heat presses, heat vinyl transfers, all this stuff. But $4,154 working with these guys. Now, what he did here, and this is what you can do, is you can kind of start searching out within your niche. Now, I'm sure what Reyes did was he went out and he looked for people within his niche. So he found Heat Press Nation because he probably already bought some from them anyways, and then joined their affiliate network. And all I did to find this, guys, is I typed in Heat Press Nation affiliate program, okay? Or these people might have reached out to him because they saw his channel, they saw what he was talking about. So it talks about right here, when you join our affiliate program, you'll be supplied with a range of banners, text links, kind of like the Amazon short links as well. And when a user clicks one of your links, you'll be brought to our website, and their activities will be tracked by our affiliate program. Once this user completes a purchase, you earn commission, just like Amazon Associates. But these guys probably are going to pay a lot better than anyone on Amazon. Amazon has pretty low commissions, so if you can cut right to the heart of it and work with these companies, you can usually get better commission rates out of it. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? That you can make $4,154 for just recommending people to go to this website and to use the equipment that you're already using so they can get the same results. So think about it in your industry and within your niche. What do I use that I could recommend to my audience or to my niche that could benefit them as well? And ask yourself, could I do it directly with the company and get commission directly from the company? So look at the products you already use. Send out an email, search for these guys, send out an email directly to those companies. And I'm going to show you what to do. If you don't know who has one, all you have to do is hop over into here. I typed in, for example, Lowe's affiliate program. We've got a channel where we do a lot of kind of home projects of stuff that we love. And sometimes we do Lowe's affiliate program. So all you do is type in Lowe's affiliate program. And you could literally do this with pretty much any store. You could pop this up. And Lowe's has a whole thing right here. Now you could go to Target affiliates, type in Target affiliate program. Same thing is going to pop up. So up to 8% commission on popular categories. You could do Canon. A lot of people do Canon cameras, especially some of the big guys because they make great commissions. 2.5% commission on sales, but it's pretty expensive cameras. So guys, you see that you can just type in, just go figure out what niche you're in, what content you're talking about, and then just look it up, see if the companies exist. And I would recommend that you do it this way versus Amazon Associates. Now, don't give up on Amazon Associates because there's great money that can be made there, as you saw with Sean Cannell from Think Media and his store that he has and how many eyeballs are on his little kit creator that he's designed. So you're still going to want Amazon Associates because people have 2-day Prime and they're going to want to just get stuff right through 2-day Prime, which I do. But you can put stuff up here like we saw Reyes do for Heat Press Nation, Lowe's, Target, Canon. So just take a look at that and don't be afraid. My biggest thing here is you'd be surprised at what companies are willing to work with you on an affiliate basis. So don't be afraid to reach out to them. Okay, send an email to these people. I've been able to do some awesome travel trips as a result of working on affiliate programs and getting commissions back from them. All right, so the biggest thing that I just want to stress here when it comes to affiliate programs is don't be afraid to reach out to companies, guys. Don't be afraid to shoot them an email and say, hey, this is what I do. I'm inside this niche. This is the audience that I have. Would you guys be interested in doing an affiliate program? And if they don't have one, say, well, would you guys still be interested if I bring you sales on giving me a commission for this piece? And most companies are going to say yes, guys. And the reason they're going to say yes is because every company needs an extra salesman or saleswoman out there pushing their products. And what's great is you already have a very centralized audience who is into what they're selling. So when Reyes the Entrepreneur did, heat pressing shirts and creating shirts and teaching people how to do this for Heat Press Nation, that was a no-brainer to partner up with him and work with him because Reyes already has a very hyper-focused audience that he's kind of already targeted and created. So Heat Press Nation is going to want to tap into that. So figure out, guys, what niche you're in. Figure out what content you're wanting to produce. And once you're in there, start figuring out, okay, what other companies are in my niche? What companies build products that I use? Or that could help my audience, all right? So think of that and think really outside the box, guys. And to be honest with you, there is no box when it comes to affiliate links.
Okay, I know you're excited, but before you get started on making a bunch of video, guys, stop real quick, okay? Just take a little pause. You guys need to go out and make a plan first. Come up with a strategy. How are you going to generate more money from your channel, all right? And that's what I'm doing in this series, part 1, 2, and 3. Is I'm showing you guys how to maximize each video that you make and how to make more money off of that single video passively. All right, and if you guys have older videos, make sure to go put affiliate links in those older videos because you've already made them. So go back, figure out what you're talking about in there. Maybe it's just your setting, it's your backdrop, put links to the gear that you have. Get that into all of your videos so that you guys can make some money. Now make sure that you subscribe though so that you can see part 3 when it comes out, because I really want to help you guys make some money and make more money off the videos that you already have. So check out part 3 that's going to be coming out, and then check out part 1 if you haven't already seen that, and stick around the channel, guys, and subscribe so that you guys can see all the content that we have to help you guys multiply your earnings. See you guys later.